In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean professional furniture photos with PhotoRoom. Whether you're preparing product listings or lifestyle visuals, I'll walk you through a simple workflow that delivers polished results without complicated editing. Start by opening your browser and heading to photoroom.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create Design button. This opens a fresh workspace with all the tools you'll need in one place. Next, choose Remove Background and upload your furniture image. PhotoRoom will automatically isolate your piece from the original photo. For the best cutout, start with a well-lit photo where the furniture edges are clear and not blending into the background. You'll see your item pop onto a clean canvas, ready for customization. Now it's time to pick the setting. If you're preparing e-commerce images, choose a white or neutral background. This keeps the focus on your product, looks consistent across your store, and often meets marketplace requirements. If you're creating lifestyle shots, either upload a room background that fits your brand or pick one from PhotoRoom's templates. Aim for a background with a matching perspective and lighting direction so the furniture feels naturally placed. With your background set, adjust the furniture image. Resize it to a comfortable scale, rotate slightly if needed to straighten lines, and reposition for balance. Keep a little breathing room around the edges so nothing feels cramped. For realism, add shadows or reflections. A soft, subtle shadow under the furniture will prevent a floating look. Match the intensity and direction to the background light for a cohesive effect. If you add a reflection for glossy floors, keep it faint so it enhances without distracting. When everything looks right, click Download and export in high quality as PNG or JPEG. Choose PNG if you want transparency or need crisp edges on lighter backgrounds. Choose JPEG for a smaller file size when transparency isn't needed. Opt for a high resolution suitable for your platform. Larger images give you flexibility to crop or zoom without losing clarity. Your edited image is now ready to use on your website, your e-commerce store, or social media. Keep a consistent style across all your products so your brand looks cohesive, and consider saving a master version so you can quickly update backgrounds for seasonal campaigns. That's it. Log in, create your design, remove the background, choose the right setting, fine-tune the placement and realism, and export in high quality. Follow these steps and you'll have stunning furniture photos that elevate your listings and boost customer confidence.